another little package has arrived at the door. And yeah, we all know what this box is. It's another RLC item. So I was half asleep when this arrived, and must say it was a nice unexpected surprise. And I won't lie, the first thing that rushed through my head was, oh my god, is it the pink Skyline? Is it here? No. I can just tell by the way it moves in the box it isn't. Yeah, that was excitement for nothing. Do you know what, that pink Skyline, I'd almost rather it just got cancelled at this point, because it's ruining all the other cars. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well, and yeah, another RLC car. You probably already know what it is, because it would have used it for the thumbnail. It's the problem with these videos, if I just show a box, no one will click on it. Actually, they probably would. That's another thumbnail idea to consider. Would it actually be more interesting to say another RLC item has arrived, and then just have a thumbnail of the box? Admittedly, this one's a terrible state. Yeah, I don't know. YouTube's a difficult thing. It's hard to ever get it right. Obviously, people might just see the thumbnail and go, oh look, he's got that car. Well, I don't need to watch it now, which is understandable. Yeah, so, random thing noticeable on this box, other than the fact I've ripped all the labels off. I like to peel the labels back and have a look what's underneath. It's interesting. Yeah, the only difference thing is I've obviously ripped it off. That's all there was on this one, that little flimsy bit of tape. No sort of like the white seal they usually have on this one, which is interesting. I don't know if it's been opened or not, or whether they just didn't do it. No idea. So my best guess is this is probably the Jag. Probably the Jaguar. So yeah, let's open it up. And as usual, I hope you're all doing well and having a good time. Yes, the Jaguar. Nice.
Now, it wasn't till afterwards I actually noticed this. The airbag packaging had actually been popped or was deflated. And upon looking at it, I'm unsure if it's a defect in the packaging or whether it's actually like been popped, whether the package has been thrown around and the car's actually physically popped the bag, which would be quite impressive because they are pretty strong. It probably is just bad packaging, but it's completely ripped open. It's not like a little hole anywhere. So that's obviously why it was moving around so much in there. In fact, it's quite lucky it's in the condition it's in, to be honest. The actual outer box is really dented, which is the reason why I do wonder whether it was popped due to being thrown around. Anyway, I don't know. Car's alright, so can't complain too much, I guess.
Ooh, this looks... I'm pretty excited for this one. This one looks really, really cool. And I do like the ones that come in the kind of little display box. I think that's awesome. Grab the knife quickly, and we shall open it up. I was doing that thing that cardboard does. There we go. Yeah, so I was actually, for a while, I mean, admittedly, you know, it's a Saturday morning. I was having a lie-in. Well, it's not morning now. It's like 1:30 in the afternoon. It's not coming out. It's not coming out. There we go. Yeah, it's like 1:30 like PM now, but I was pretty tired, and I was like, oh, what package is this? Because obviously I knew what the box was, but yeah, I completely forgot they'd sent this out. In fact, I completely forgot about buying it. It's been a little while. I think it's earlier than they stated, though. I'm pretty sure this was set to release the 19th of May or something. It's the 20th today, so factoring in delivery time to the UK, that's pretty good. So yeah, there's the box. You know, you've probably seen it quite well now, to be honest. I'll throw it over there. No, my precious box. Anyway, here it is, 1964 Jaguar E-Type. I was actually not going to buy this one originally, and then I saw the car. Oh, it's even cooler in person. Ooh. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice. This one actually didn't sell out that quick. I guess there's just not as big of a following for this car. Unlike the bloody Skyline and other things that have been released. This was actually up for a good half hour or something, if I do remember right. Admittedly, I wasn't even going to buy it till I saw it, and the opening hood, oh my god, wow. First things first, the case looks very good. The first one of these I got, which was the Dodge van, had a scuff mark in there. Oh, we get a number. This one is 5,329 out of 30,000. Don't know what relevance that has to anything. Do the ones that are like number 1, or number 30,000, or ones that are like funny numbers? Do they actually gain more value? I bet you they bloody do. I bet number 1 is like super rare. They'd probably give number 1 to a factory worker or someone who designed it, and then they're worth $1 million bloody dollars or whatever. Right, fun and games starts trying to open it. This is the only downside to these cases. I love them to bits, but they're apparently bloody difficult to open. At least for my oaf self. The orangutan is trying to open up the Hot Wheels car. I'm failing miserably. I'm going to quickly I'll do it off camera, and then you can it's basically now, this is a podcast. If I make the screen black, you can sit there and listen to me struggling like a podcast, because they're all the rage these days apparently. Open! My fear is it's going to ping and the car's going to go flying across the room and just break. I'm going to hurt all the purists and just get a little screwdriver. No, that's not going to move, is it, you dozy tit? From that. So, I don't know if you can hear it on the mic, but someone has just started like the weirdest sounding thing ever. Ow. Ow. Oh, that always makes my heart jump when that happens. God, this one was really tight. Now I can't get that end off. Oh no, everything's moving. Oh no. This is scary stuff. What's the worst that could happen? I could break it, I suppose. Got a little Hot Wheels logo on the stand there. Right. It's just... There's my RLC car. I better not... I mean, it is... They say the boxes are nice, I better not scratch it. I did forget to read this. So let's have a little read. Jaguar cars are the perfect blend of style and performance. The 1964 Jaguar E-Type sits at the top of this legendary brand. At the time of its release, this brilliant vehicle was widely considered the most beautiful car on the road. A fixed head coupe sporting a 3.8 straight 6 engine provided the power needed to set it apart from the other cars on the road, which can be seen on the opening hood feature of this RLC model. First use of the new British racing green spectraflame paint is the perfect colour for this posh ride. Silver VUM wheels offer a lovely contrast for a little extra eye-catching flair. Anyone who gets their hands on one of these is sure to be chuffed to bits. Well, I didn't realise is this actually the first time we've used this colour. Oh, we get 2 little bits of plastic. I like the fact they give you the extra bit to hold the thing open. Oh, there's actually 3 bits of plastic. Literally one inside there as well to keep the thing open. So, is this actually the first use of this colour? Nice. Yeah, it looks really cool. So, I mean, a couple of I'm going to nitpick a little bit because there's like a couple of blemishes here and there, like there. In fact, it looks like dirt. I buff it off. I've sort of got it off. There's still a little bit of a mark, but actually it was just dirt, so that's, I guess, alright. I don't know. I suppose, you can't fully help things and dirt getting into this sort of stuff, but there we are. So yeah, I mean, yeah, if this is the first use, this is very, very cool. This colour is stunning. I love it. Yeah, I mean, I first saw it. I do like the E-Type. I can appreciate I can appreciate the styling, and it is a pretty car. Not all me though. Not all me. But then I'm into stuff that other people aren't. I'm into the old 80s boxy ruler design stuff. So this is a bit, and it's a bit too old for me. I'm sort of, as like I said, I'm more 70s, 80s, 90s era. Whereas this is a bit older, but I say I can appreciate very pretty cars. I mean, they're worth a lot of money now, and this model is stunning. And when I saw the fact it had the opening front opening hood like that, oh yeah, no, this is very nice indeed. Front light details, the little badge with the logo in there inside the grille, and all your indicators and stuff on the wing mirrors. Very, very nice, all chromed out. There's those VUM wheels. They do look very good indeed. At the back, oh, we have RLC type written on the plate there. Very nice, like in the old school plate as well. That's really nicely done actually, that's really nice. Got your light details, your little Jag logo on the back, and I love the sort of old wooden steering wheel inside there. It's right hand drive, and we got the sort of beige interior. It just looks awesome. It really does stand out against this green. Oh look, we've got some awesome exhaust details on the base there as well. Nice. And they've even gone full out and just painted the base. That is really nice. And of course, if we open up the front, look at that engine detail. Oh, beautiful. That is, oh, this is a really nice one, I've got to say. I've gone from, well, do not drop, do not the car. I've gone from, yeah, I might buy it, to this is the most beautiful thing probably in my collection right now. This is absolutely stunning. Really love that. And I always love the little boxes that they come in too. Really nice little touch to display your car. Oh, don't hold it by the bonnet. I'm going to put it down there and I'm going to keep away. Well, there we have it. What an absolutely beautiful casting this is, and I'm really glad to have this now in my collection. But of course, let me know what you think of it down below in the comments section. I'd like to hear your opinions on this car. While you're down there, be sure to hit that like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And of course, as always, until next time, I wish you all the best, and the best of luck in all your peg hunts and your RLC purchases. I shall see you again in the next video.